So hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. As always, thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few minutes. My name is Rich Charpentier. I'm the channel host, and this channel, AZ Drone, has actually changed over the past couple months. Recently, I logged into this channel and I saw a lot of people are still popping onto the channel, following and liking, and I really appreciate that. I'm glad that you enjoy that channel. What you might not know is that we have a new updated channel where we do a lot of drone talk. We actually talk about building my drone business, and I bring you along through the process of how I've been building my drone business, who I'm working with, and the tools that I'm using for building the drone business. So it's really simple to get to that new channel. The channel is Rich Charpentier, and we'll pop that up on the screen as well. So it's just my name, and we're actually doing most of the AZ drone work there. Also, we've been doing some tutorials on deliverables and on flight for construction progression work. And we also have a series of courses now for new drone pilots who are looking to get into 3D modeling, who are looking to get into construction progression work, and also who are looking to get into smaller job sites for, let's say, new construction and also real estate sites as well. So all of that is over on the channel, Rich Charpentier. This channel does remain, AZ Drone does remain. What you don't know is that there are a bunch of hidden videos on here because I'm now using the AZ Drone channel for my clients. So when I do a new client project that involves video, we do have a password protected video for that client, and it happens to be hosted through the AZ Drone channel. So that's why I've migrated all of the lessons and instructions and insights to the Rich Charpentier channel. I wanted to separate those two things out, and the AZ Drone is basically becoming just for clients and for clients to see their videos. So if you haven't already, I would suggest heading on over to the new channel. It's listed down in the show notes below, or on YouTube, you can just type in the name Rich Charpentier, and it will pull that channel right up for you. And you might have some catching up to do because we've been putting a lot on that channel over the past couple months. So once again, thanks for the interest. Go check out the other channel. We've got a lot more folks participating there, and we've got some very regular information, usually several videos in a couple of weeks' time. And when we really get on a roll, more videos than that. Okay, everyone, thanks for stopping into this channel. Be sure to pop over to the Rich Charpentier channel and like and subscribe and start following along and learning a little more with us today. We'll see you on the next video over there. Have an awesome week.